Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to read Yahoo Finance stock charts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to read Yahoo Finance stock charts, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Yahoo Finance and then hit enter, and then simply click on the first link that is shown to you right here. And once that's done, what you need to do is you will be sent to the Yahoo Finance homepage. Now, on the search bar, what you need to do is type the company name like Apple and then press enter. Then once that's done, it will open the chart of the company. Then on the company page, simply click on chart on the left hand side of the screen, and once that's done, you'll see the stock price chart displayed. Now, next step is to understand the axis. The x-axis shows time delays like days, months, years depending on your view, and the y-axis vertical shows the stock price in dollars, which is right here. Now, step 4 is to read the lines. The main line or the candlestick chart shows the stock price movement over time. Each candle shows the opening, closing, high and low prices for a day or other time period. The green candle is stock close higher than opened, and the red candle is stock close lower than opened. The next step is to adjust the time frame by simply selecting 1 day, 5 days, 1 month or 3 months, 6 months, and then YTD or max according to your preference. And then next step is to add indicators. Yahoo Finance allows you to add tools like moving average, RSI and MACD be signed into your account in order to use it. These help analyze trends, momentum and potential buy or sell points. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.